Do you know you can unlock powerful features on Instagram just by switching your account type? In this video, I will show you step by step how to convert your personal account into a professional account in under 2 minutes. And watch this video till the end because I am going to tell you some of the benefit of using professional account. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Now tap on these three line menu at the top right corner. Scroll down and under for professional, tap on account type and tools. Now tap on switch to professional account. Instagram will now guide you through a quick step. Tap on next. Choose the category that best describes you, like creator, artist, blogger, business or brand or entrepreneur. I am going to choose artist. Now tap on switch to professional account. Choose what type of professional are you. Are you a creator or a business? I am a creator. Next. And if you wish to log in through your account center, then you can continue or you can select not now. Now here are some steps to set up your professional account. You have to complete these steps. Add any profile picture you want. Now here you can tell your goals. You want to see the reach, media engagement. Tap on next. How would you like to connect with people? Comment, messages, calls, texts, anything you want to select. Done. Now if you don't want to complete other steps, just tap on tab, close, and your account will convert into a professional account. Here you can see a professional dashboard option is showing up. Once you switch, you will get access to insights, analytics, promotions and growth tools that are not available on personal account. So if you are serious about growing on Instagram, make this switch today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends.